Hi everyone, I'm Sophia, Master Provider here at Juvly. Today we're going to talk a little bit about lip fillers. Here at Juvly, lip fillers is one of our most popular treatments. It's a great non-surgical option, whether to look to hydrate the lips or increase a little bit of volume to the lips. Things to expect with lip fillers is bruising and swelling. Those are potential risks that I would give yourself 2 weeks minimum for that time for healing. A lot of clients like to ask me, how are my lips gonna look right after? And again, expect a minimum of 2 weeks for potential bruising and swelling. That swelling can be significant and everyone heals a little differently. Lip fillers typically last between 6 months to a year, and typically around that mark, people will come back for touch-ups. Whether you're looking for big, bold, or subtle lips, we've got several different treatment options and products to choose from, and we can tailor those to your needs. By booking a free consult with one of the master providers here at Juvly, we'll be able to go over all the specific treatment options for you, and you can just go to juvly.com to book that free consult.